Got Talent is finally back with its 10th season with the theme Win Hard or Die Trying. Brought to you by Dewdrops, this state-level talent hunt welcomes contestants of all ages to showcase their skills in singing, dancing, painting, magic, and so much more. Audition for Ukro will be held on the 24th of February, for Senapati on the 25th of February, for Tamenglong on the 27th of February, and for Imphal on the 28th of February. The results of the auditions will be declared on 1st of March. The elimination round will be on 14 March, and the grand finale is scheduled to be held on 15 March 2025. So please do not miss out on this opportunity to be discovered, and please join us in the celebration of music, art, and creativity. See you there.